Hello, do you know how to work out the faces of a shape? If you don't, that's great, because we're going to teach you that today. So faces are like this. It's best to show it via a picture form. If I draw something like this, okay? Forgive me if my cube is not perfect. So, if you do a shape like that, which I think has ended quite well by the way, faces are the flat parts of this solid shape like this, okay? And what you do is you count all around the shape, and just remember to count around as well as top and bottom. So in this case, there's one face here, one face in the front here, one face to the side, one face to the back, one on the top, and one underneath. So in this case, how many faces has this cube got? Yes, well done! It's got 6, hasn't it? Okay, let's count that together. 1, 2, 3, behind, 4, top, 5, bottom, 6. And that's all you need to do, okay? So let's see if this is the same one. If I give you a cuboid, okay, which is a rectangular cube like that, okay? How many faces has that got? Okay, see if it's the same or different. Oh, it's the same, isn't it? Okay, great. Well done. Because you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, round the back 5, then on the bottom 6. Well done. Okay, so use information, play the next game, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.